डेवलपमेंट एंड लर्निंग, यहाँ पे क्या रिलेशनशिप है डेवलपमेंट और लर्निंग के बीच में? सो डेवलपमेंट एंड लर्निंग आर इंटर रिलेटेड प्रोसेसेस, विद डेवलपमेंट प्रोवाइडिंग द पोटेंशियल फॉर द लर्निंग एंड लर्निंग इन्फ्लुएंशिंग फर्दर डेवलपमेंट। उसके बाद नेक्स्ट जो है वो क्या है, नेक्स्ट जो है वो ये है, अमन नाउ स्टार्ट्स थिंकिंग लॉजिकली एंड एब्स्ट्रैक्टली बट ही वांट्स टू गो टू हिज प्रीवियस स्टेज वेयर ही कैन नॉट थिंक मच लॉजिकली बट ही इज अनेबल टू डू इट। Which principle of development is shown in the above situation? Development cannot reverse back यार। उसके बाद नेक्स्ट जो है वो क्या है, providing access to additional resources and support can significantly improve learning outcomes for the disadvantaged learners। उसके बाद a child shows exceptional talent in music, a trait also observed in their grandparents. However, their musical abilities blossomed further after receiving specialized training and exposure to various musical genres. This scenario best exemplifies the interplay of heredity and environment in the development. उसके बाद which of the following agents of socialization primarily contributes to a child's understanding of social norms, cooperation and conflict resolution through the direct interaction and shared experiences outside the family? तो ये हो जाएगा हमारा peers. In applying Piaget's theory, if a child is using symbols like letters or numbers to represent the objects or ideas, they are likely in which developmental stage? ये होता है pre-operational stage. Which of the following strategies is or are helpful to create an effective learning environment? तो ये हो जाएगा हमारा क्या हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा फोकसिंग ऑन द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग स्किल्स एंड एंगेजिंग स्टूडेंट्स इन प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग एक्टिविटीज़। उसके बाद नेक्स्ट जो है वो क्या है, अ टीचर प्रोवाइड्स पॉजिटिव रेनफोर्समेंट, क्रिएट्स अ सपोर्टिव क्लासरूम एनवायरनमेंट एंड सेट्स अचीवेबल गोल्स फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स। दिस अप्रोच इज प्राइमरली एम्ड एट फॉस्टरिंग इंट्रिंसिक मोटिवेशन फॉर द लर्निंग। Which of the following best describes the relationship between the cognition and emotions in the learning process? Emotions can significantly impact cognitive processes like attention, memory, and problem solving. A teacher notices that a student from a disadvantaged background consistently struggles with completing homework assignments due to lack of resources at home. The most appropriate action for the teacher would be to provide extra support resources and alternative ways to complete assignments, possibly in the school. उसके बाद Kohlberg's theory of moral development has been criticized for being culturally biased and predominantly focusing on the male samples. तो ये बात ठीक है। Moral reasoning may differ across cultures and genders and Kohlberg stages may not universally apply. तो ये बात भी क्या है, बिल्कुल ठीक है। With reference to the inclusive education, which of the following statement is correct? So it shows that all children, irrespective of their strength and weaknesses, will be part of mainstream education. It is clear that education policy in India has gradually focused more on the children and adults with the special needs. उसके बाद next question जो है वो ये है, which one of the following statements is correct about the zonal of proximal development? तो ये हो जाएगा, the lower limit of zonal of proximal development is the level of skill reached by the child on his or her own, that is independently, and the upper limit is the level of additional responsibility that the child can accept with the assistance of an instructor. उसके बाद next है, consider the following statement about Vyagato Sky's socio-cultural theory. तो इसमें हो जाएगा the zone of proximal development JPD refers to the gap between what a learner can do independently and what they can achieve with the guidance, and more knowledgeable others जो है more knowledgeable others play a crucial role in scaffolding learning. उसके बाद next जो है वो क्या है, continuous and comprehensive evaluation emphasizes both scholastic and co-scholastic aspects of learners development. And जो हमारा continuous and comprehensive evaluation aims to provide a holistic profile of the learner moving beyond traditional pen and paper examination. उसके बाद a teacher notices that a newly admitted student from a rural background struggle with the classroom instructions delivered primarily in English while excelling in practical tasks. To best support the student, the teacher should provide additional support in the student's native language, use visual aids and encourage peer learning. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट जो क्वेश्चन है वो क्या है, द टीचर फाइंड्स दैट एन 6 years old girl child has problems in independently performing the activities like eating, dressing and toilet activity. The teacher identifies this to be cognitive disability. In a classroom, a teacher consistently praises boys for their mathematical abilities and girls for their artistic skills, subtly discouraging girls from pursuing science subjects. This practice exemplifies gender bias. Bipolar disorder is a mental health condition that involves extreme mood swings, including both manic and depressive episodes. Which of the following is not an example of assistive technology for the visual impairments. मतलब supplement to textbook, this is not the example of the assistive technology for the visual impairment. बाकी जो large print book है, magnifying computer book है, speech synthesizer है, these are the examples. Which of the following could be an example of constructivism in the classroom learning? Collaborative group work. Which of the following is not an appropriate strategy for improving the student problem solving? तो functional fixedness of the students, this is not the appropriate strategy for improving the students problem solving. बाकी जो appropriate strategy for improving students problem solving है वो है give extensive opportunities to solve the real world problems, involve parents in children's problem solving, monitor students effective and ineffective problem solving strategies. When children arrive at school with their own pre-existing ideas about how the world works, often differing from the scientific concepts, these are referred to as misconceptions or alternative conceptions. Assessment of learning is primarily focused on determining what students have learned at the end of a unit or course. In a progressive classroom, a teacher would give importance to learners' previous knowledge and experience and encourage learners to think critically. उसके बाद next जो है वो क्या है? Family, neighbors plays an important role in the language development of the child, and socio-cultural environment emphasizes the learning of the language of a child, and children can learn their native language through the imitation. उसके बाद which of the following assessments methods aims for the mastery of learning or learning progress? Criterion referenced assessment. At this stage of development, children think with their eyes, ears, hands and other sense organs. The above statement best describes which of the following stage of cognitive development. तो ये हो जाएगा हमारा sensory motor stage. Miss Anjali, a physics teacher is in a secondary school, finds that few students commits mistakes in test after teaching the lesson. In this situation, what should Miss Anjali do? Give remedial measures. उसके बाद Simi's mother saw that Simi had completed a very tough assignment. After devoting a dedicated time of an hour to encourage this good study habit, Simi's mother gave her a beautiful pen. Which one of the following psychological principle is Simi's mother applying? तो ये हो जाएगा हमारा reinforcement. संधि की दृष्टि से असंगत युग्म है. प्रत्येक ये गुण संधि, ये असंगत युग्म है. बाकी सडानंद व्यंजन संधि, रजनीश दीर्घ संधि, सदैव जो है वृद्धि संधि होगा. उसके बाद यहाँ पे बात करनी है द्विगु समास के उदाहरण है सप्ताह और शताब्दी. उसके बाद कृति और कृति, ये रचना और पुण्यात्मा, ये हो जाएगा. उसके बाद किस विकल्प में सभी शब्द पुत्र के पर्याय हैं? तो तन्य और नंदन जो है ये पुत्र के पर्याय हैं. उसके बाद कौन सा विलोम युग्म असुमेलित है? तो मुख्य मुख, ये जो है असुमेलित है. ठीक है. बाकी मुख पृष्ठ, मिथ्या सत्य और मुक्त बद्ध, ये सभी जो है क्या है? सुमेलित है. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट जो है नीचे की तरफ लाना या फिर खींचना, ये हो जाएगा अपकर्ष. जो बिना बुलाया आया हो, जो बिना बुलाए आया हो वो होता है अनाहुत. किसी वस्तु को प्राप्त करने की तीव्र इच्छा जो है वो होती है अभिप्सा. गुरु के समीप रहने वाला विद्यार्थी जो होता है वो होता है अंतेवासी. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है वचन संबंधी सही असंगत युग्म का चयन कीजिए. सेना, सेनिया, ये गलत है. बाकी हड्डी, हड्डियां होता है. गुरु, गुरुजन होता है, वह वे होते हैं. उसके बाद इनमें से जो अशुद्ध है सदोपदेश, अनाधिकृत, निरानुनासिक, ये सभी गलत लिखे हुए हैं. जो चीज़ ठीक है वो क्या है? श्रृंखला, अत्यधिक और अतिथि, पार्वतीय, व्यवहारिक, प्रकृति, प्रतीक्षा, ज्योत्सना, पर्यवेक्षण. ठीक है. और उसके बाद नेक्स्ट जो है वो क्या है? इनमें ना मतलब यह है कि सदोपदेश, अनाधिकृत, निरानुनासिक, ये तो सारे ही गलत हैं. बाकियों में ये है कि कुछ कुछ ठीक है, कुछ कुछ गलत है. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट जो है वो ये है आँख का नीर ढल जाना, इसका मतलब निर्लज्ज हो जाना. अंडे का शहजादा, इसका मतलब अनुभवहीन व्यक्ति. 99 के फेर में पड़ना.